This is second episode of the Youth Dharma. If you recall, in the first episode, Carrie came visit and we talked about the fact that sometimes even though we gathered all the conditions that we could in order to accomplish something, there are times that we cannot accomplish that goal or that task because other factors that needed are not there. That concept is actually a core concept in Buddhism. It is called dependent arising or dependent origination. I will refer to it as dependent arising. I'll chant a short chant and then I'll go to the conversation that Carrie and I had about this concept. Bhikṣusūtram evaṃ mayā śrutam ekasmin samaye bhagavān kuruṣu viharati kalmāṣadamye nigame anyataro bhikṣur yena bhagavāṃs tenopajagāma upetya bhagavatpādau śirasā vanditvaikānte sthāt ekāntasthitaḥ bhikṣur bhagavantam idam avocat kinnu bhagavatā pratītyasamutpādaḥ krita aho svidanyehi na bhikṣu mayā pratītyasamutpādaḥ krito na byanyehi apitutpādatva tathāgatānam anutpādatva sthāt evaṃ dharmatā dharma sthāye dhātuhu tam tathāgataḥ swayam abhidnyaya visambuddhya khyati pratnyapayati prasthapayati vibhajati viharati uttani karoti deshayati samprakashayati yadutasmin satidam bhavati asyotpadadidam utpadyate yaduta vidya pratyaya samskara yavat samudayo nirodhasta bhavati. I learned this chant from Professor Salvini. I encourage you to go watch his chanting video. I put the link in the description. You might also want to explore his website and channel, śrutam channel and website. He has a lot of good information for Sanskrit learning. In fact, he inspired a lot of my Sanskrit learning. Hopefully one day I'll get him to do an interview with us. Okay, now let's go back to the conversation that I had with Carrie. In our conversation, we talk about the fact that the Dharma was not created by the Buddha. Meaning, for example, this dependent arising concept was not created by the Buddha. The Buddha appeared in this world just to share these concepts and other concepts with us so that we can be released from our predicaments, commonly referred to as suffering. So whether Buddha appear or not in this world, the Dharma is as it is. For example, the fact that for anything to be accomplished, conditions needed to be gathered. If there are not enough conditions, then it will not be accomplished. Or let's take something simple, which was something that I was discussing with Carrie about, impermanent. The fact that the world is impermanent would still be as it is whether the Buddha appear in this world or not. I just would like to share that with all of you. I hope it was useful. See you next time.